Grede has begun their journey to deploy Industry 4.0 systems at all 9 of its American foundries across all major processes. Once fully integrated, artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities will connect their entire company. By combining science, innovation, and collaboration, Grede's move to a smart foundry is becoming a reality. Today, we're at Grede St Cloud facility, where they implemented Monitizer, Norican's IIoT 4.0 solution, to gather information for real-time understanding of their sand, melt, and mold processes.
For us, we wanted to join with a company that we had trust with, that we knew would be there, fast reaction time. Monitizer for us was an easy step.
Norican has a great history with us, especially when you look at them as part of the Simpson Group, the Diesel Group, and also the Wheelbrader Group, which is equipment that we've had on our facilities for over 40 years. Bringing that experience together, being able to kind of unify everything together, we can use their experience in training our new employees and also help in engineering the solutions for the future. Monitizer Discover is a great tool for us because it's extremely easy and customizable. We can address anybody's concerns as we see fit. But by starting with a standardized approach, we can then launch additional screens that allows us to hone in on the particular area that a particular operator needs to work on or control. Also, by having that standardized approach, we're able to look at from plant to plant and see variations, but then having the customization allows us to see the individual details specific to that piece of equipment.
The rollout of Monitizer in St. Cloud has been successful for 2 reasons. One is taking the time up front to lay out our process flows, understand exactly what the system is supposed to be doing. Not really what we think it is, but what it actually really is, and then understanding that so you can apply Monitizer to that system. Additionally, it's engaging the people that are actually going to use it. It just can't be a forced initiative from a corporate entity. It's getting people involved that are actually using the system. Another nice benefit of Monitizer Discover is that you don't have to be a technical expert to actually use the information or use the system. We have alerts, simple charts to look at, and people can see if you're running in and out of tolerance, and they can take action off of that versus being a technical expert about all aspects of sand.
Some of the great wins that Grede and Monitizer have brought together for the foundry. Of the plants that have launched the Discovery in the sand function, 100% of our plants has seen a scrap reduction since December of 2023. That's 5 plants for us at the moment that have been on Monitizer Discovery for 4+ months. 100%, we'll take that as a quick win.
Monitizer Discover in particular helps us become more competitive instantaneously. By seeing what's going on the plant floor, we can see things happen before they actually occur, and we can prevent those from happening, reducing our scrap and increasing our productivity. For instance, when there's a piece of equipment starting to fail, we can see the warning signs, get automatic notifications, be able to react quickly to prevent that failure from happening.
It allows the technicians to be able to see real-time information from our sand testing equipment. We have the same visibility out at our molding lines, so our mold machine operators can pull information and see real-time how the sand system is performing.
This is all going to lead down to Monitizer Prescribe, in which we're getting into the AI aspects of controlling our process. In the Green Sand Foundry, there's up to 2,700 variables, so you can't control all those just using spreadsheets. You have to go into real Industry 4.0. And by taking those variables and starting to understand how they work together through AI, we can start to control them much more effectively. So that growth is going to lead us into the future and really be able to take the knowledge that's gained within those 30 years of experience and now basically digitize it.
For me, it is incredibly exciting to have live data at my fingertips, transparent anywhere in the world. Grade's embarked on this journey with Monitizer and our Industry 4.0 goals when we set out with our strategic imperatives in 2020. We are just getting started.
These are exciting times. I think this is materializing kind of a vision and a conversation we had around what we wanted the business to be supported by. The Norican Monitizer is exactly that for us.